Hello, my name is Mar and I am currently starting a higher level training cycle in clinical and biomedical lab. During my first year, I had the opportunity to participate in the Erasmus Plus program, which led me to spend 2 months in Greece, specifically at the Locus Medicus lab in Athens. This choice was a deliberate decision on my part to step out of my comfort zone and enhance my professional skills and language abilities through an international experience. Throughout my time in Greece, I successfully achieved all my objectives. This opportunity allowed me to apply the knowledge and skills I had acquired during my studies in a real laboratory setting, while also learning new methodologies and techniques. Communicating in English improved my pronunciation and language confidence. At Locus Medicus, I worked in various departments, including molecular biology, andrology, cytogenetics, microbiology, immunology, histopathology, and hematology, where I carried out a variety of tasks, including spermiogram analysis, PCR, flow cytometry, microbiological cultures, staining techniques, urine analysis, sample classification in SRH, and even more. Despite being naturally shy, as the weeks went by, I began feeling more comfortable, thanks largely to the kindness and support of the staff at the workplace. By the end of the work placement, I was surprised by the transformation in my confidence and skills. I even found myself capable of carrying out some tasks independently with little to no supervision. Out of work, I obviously took the opportunity to visit the principal touristic places and monuments in Athens, including the Acropolis, the Ancient Agora, the Olympic Stadium, Plaka Street, Syntagma Square, Mount Lycabettus, and many other wonderful places. I also explored 3 different islands, Aegina, Moni, and Agisi, all of which had stunning beaches. In my case, even though I have an advanced level of English, I initially had some issues speaking it due to my shyness. However, this experience, where I was compelled to communicate in English with everyone, significantly improved my communication skills. Professionally, I learned and practiced various techniques related to my field, which will be extremely valuable in my future profession. Moreover, this experience contributed to my personal growth, boosting my independence and confidence, and providing me with insight into what it's like to live alone. In conclusion, I highly recommend the Erasmus Plus program, as it offers an enriching experience to learn valuable skills, improve language proficiency, immerse yourself in different cultures, and foster personal growth. This experience has undoubtedly benefited me, demonstrating that stepping out of my comfort zone was truly rewarding. However, in my opinion, it's essential to be mentally prepared for the challenges that may arise, so this experience may not be suitable for everyone.